stamps are finally here. I'm so excited to use them. Oh. So I've been doing physiotherapy for a month now. The doctor or the physiotherapist, I don't know how to call him, and he was like, oh, you're healing quite quickly. And I'm like, yeah, you know, you said that I need to train my wrist with those weights, and I just train for every day more than what he told me to do. If you haven't noticed it yet, I don't have my old screen anymore because I got a new one. So the older one was a Dell, just a running screen that I bought a year or two ago. Actually, it's on one of my vlogs, so it might be a year ago actually. And at that time, I wasn't doing some heavy color grading stuff. Heavy, that's a big word. I got a Mac Mini M4 chip, and this machine paired with a better monitor can show better accurate colors when you're doing color grading work to edit your files. So this is also why I wanted to upgrade the monitor into a 4K one. So now I should have a little bit more accurate colors when I'm color grading. But you know, I got it secondhand again. So yeah, that was a little price for a better screen. Still not like professional, but I think it's already a big step forward that I took. So let's see what it looks like. I don't know why this moment feels so similar to a year or two ago. Yeah, you can see with the new bags, way bigger than the one that I used last time. That's again a very System B type of situation. So let's just get this baby out of here. Three, two, one, ta-da! And this one can actually connect to the Mac Mini with a USB-C cable, but I don't have one yet, so yeah. Ooh. Just wait a second, I'm coming back because this is way too dusty. This actually looks humongous. Gosh. Ooh. Wow. It feels great. Wow. I'm so excited to edit here and just do most new things and tasks. Definitely new gear, new environment, new motivation. Okay, glaze secured. We made it. Okay, so a little unboxing. I got some raw material to do my glaze mixes, and I had to get tin oxide. That thing, let me tell you that it is freaking expensive. So the first mission that I have today is to use those stamps and stamp the pots that I already made a few months back to see how the stamps actually work and how the color will turn out and if this is the style that I wanted to do. So I have a bunch of underglazes that are sitting here for quite some time now, and I'm gonna use them to try the colors if they will turn out good. So, since I don't really know how to use the sponges, I'm just going to use this glass to put my underglazes on it and then mix it a bit, use the sponge and stamp them on the pottery. And we'll see how this goes. If this thing goes wrong, then I'm just gonna cut it out. But if it turned out good, then we're just gonna continue on using the same technique. So maybe I'm gonna show you all the stamp design that I have. I think the most important one that I have is my signature stamp, Lazy Slime Muson stamp. So this is a signature stamp that I'm going to stamp on every pot that I do, so that people know that it's from my studio, and I just find this design really cute. So I got some bakery stamps because as a French girl, we love bread somehow, and so yeah, growing up eating bread, you know. So I got those cute little bread stamps and this bread slice stamps. This one, super cute as well. Yay! I designed the stamps myself and had them made in China, so it was really a make or break situation. I need to see if the stamps print well on the pots using the underglazes I have, and most importantly, if they will be visible enough after I glaze them with the glaze recipe that I will mix myself. There is still so much work ahead, but I'm genuinely excited and optimistic, and I feel that I'll be able to overcome the upcoming challenges. This is so cute. Oh my god! This is so good. Oops. It didn't work that well for this one. Ouch. So this is the bread one. And so that would be it for today's stamping. It was pretty difficult to get a hand on stamping because I'm not familiar with this technique, so I don't know if my glaze is not as liquidy as it should be, or is that the sponge that is too high density so it doesn't absorb the glaze that well. I was getting little by little back on throwing because I was going to Qingdezhen to train throwing bigger ceramic pieces. So I needed to get a bit used to work again with more clay. I did a mini memoir of this amazing experience in another video, so if you're curious about it, just make sure to check it out. I finally got my stamps. So those are the stamps that I designed in the last vlog, and I was waiting for them for 3 weeks, a month almost. So yeah, I'm super excited to unbox them. This one is the mailer stamp that I did last time, and it turned out super precise. Just, it looks pretty good here. And the second one, this one is a more formal one with the studio name on it. And I didn't know that they came with this wood case, but the design is super like, my style is so like minimalist and a bit of like a Japanese style. So yeah, I'm so excited to use them on like real envelopes for packaging if anyone buy my stuff, you know. But yeah, this is finally done. So I'm going to use this notebook as the like envelope substitute because I think that the cover is also like craft paper, pretty much similar to the cardstock paper that they use on envelopes that I wanted to use for the packaging. So let's do that. Honestly, I'm super proud of myself, and I should be. Like, the details are super well done on this stamp because I have really fine lines. You know, I was afraid that it wouldn't print well, but it is really well done. And it prints pretty good. This definitely looked like a success for me. Wow.